Group content can be found under the Rhino tab in the content section. It can be used to filter and group content in the data trees. It has two inputs, content and key, and two outputs, content and values. It might not look like much, but it's a super powerful component. The content input will take any input classified as content. Here I have some geometry that has been merged into one list. There are some extrusions, surfaces and curves. These are Rhino objects. The first thing I suggest that you do is that you click the show expression on. Now you can see what the key does. If you right click on the key, you can find a huge list of different keys that you can use to group the content. In this case, I am using the object type from the model object list. So this simply looks at the object type of the input content and groups the content in the tree based on their types. So I have curves, surfaces and extrusions. And the output values is going to give us the keys that match the data trees. In the second group, I have used the layer status as a key. It filters based on if the layer is hidden or not. The boxes are on layer 1, so if I hide, for some reason, currently I do not know if this is a bug or not, this needs to refresh by pressing F5. And now you can see that the group content has divided the geometries into shown and hidden based on their layers. Normally, if I were to move the Rhino geometry, the Grasshopper geometry would update automatically instantly. But for some reason, the group content does not do that currently. Now for the last group, I have used user text as keys. So I have assigned keys 1 to 3 to the different geometries, and I have filtered based on those numbers. The list of keys is really exhaustive, so I suggest that you open Grasshopper and check them yourself to find the best keys to group your content with.